Lance from ThetaTraders.com. This video I want to go over a Labor Day special we're doing with a Discord I help run on the SPY ATM alerts. It's been a really good strategy. It's the only buy-side strategy that I actually use. If you look at the total profits without any scaling, just $2,000, and you're not adding more contracts, it's up to $55.49 since the beginning of 2024. If you go with scaling, meaning you add more contracts in as it grows, it's up to $11,449 off again a $2,000 account. The max drawdown is only negative 15%, which is reasonable, and that won't always happen right after you get into the strategies. You might turn 2,000 into 4,000 and then hit the 15% max drawdown. The overall win rate is 76.22%. And we look at a 1 to or 0.5 to 1 risk return ratio. So when we typically win, we'll make half as much as the stop losses are. However, it's a 76% win rate, and that shows a good positive expectancy because over 65% is positive. These are my current trades that I've been doing. I'm using a $10,000 account, and you can see just the data here. This is the running total since mid-May of 2025. Been very good steady gains. Over here, I decided to take out half of my profits. So I already took out $18.11 in profits. The goal is to eventually take out the full $10,000 that I put into it. And then I'll probably just let this thing scale and really grow out. So it's been doing really well. I was up at the peak at 42.17. That's 42% on my money in less than 3 months. So it's been a really good trade and good strategies. If I show you the actual trades here, you can see that it's very straightforward to enter and exit. So it says put, for instance, or call happens right at 10:30 Eastern Standard Time, within a few seconds of it. And I'll say very cleanly how to enter. And then I do an OCO order, take profit and stop loss, and then you just go about your day. It's very easy to set up. You don't have to be watching in front of your computer the whole day. You just either hit the take profit or hit the stop loss. This was Friday's trade, by the way, and I entered in a little bit past 1.5. It hit the take profit at 1.81. We have a really strong community. Currently 45 members on a Labor Day and also 94 offline, so almost 150 members currently in this. Progress for the month, $971 in a month, and he actually missed 2 profitable trades. Good end to the week. So we have a good like-minded community of option buyers here. We definitely help each other out, and I thanked Phil in this recent one as well. We are running a deal. This does run at midnight tonight for Labor Day. And 124% return on investment 2024, 105% in the first 5 months 2025. It's actually a little higher than that now with the last few months. You can see the profits here, 100% in 5 months. You also could do MES futures if you want to do a prop account with all those funded futures accounts, and we do that with MES as well. The alerts are pretty straightforward on that. So you enter in either short if it's a put or buy if it's a call, and you take profit and stop loss. So there are some members doing this with funded futures as well. Average time of the trade is just 20 minutes, but again, you just set a one cancels other order and then just go about your day. If you're busy throughout the day, you don't have to be watching the market throughout. 78% win rate. I have a lot of happy members in this group, and I'm definitely one of them as well. I've been taking all these trades as well. Now the normal price for these, $150 a month, $300 a quarter, $9.99 annual, but we're doing a Labor Day deal here. So if you go for a lifetime plan, this is lifetime for the whole service, we're at $12.97 for lifetime. I mean, I made that in a few weeks off a $10,000 account, and it's just growing from there. If you want to do a shorter time frame for yearly, instead of $9.99, it's $7.97 for the year. I'll leave the links in the description down below if you're interested. leave any questions or comments on this channel, and I'll make sure to address it. Again, hopefully you guys join in. It's a really good plan. It's, again, the only buy-side trade that I do. So I guys see you on the next video.